but you're also solving the problem that these data and development capabilities in organizations. It sounds like high school. You know, you have the jocks and you have the nerds and you have different groups socially that are doing stuff, and you're going to automate the whole thing, and it's going to bring everybody together, which is a good thing. It's a good thing in this world to do that. So yeah, I'm curious, as you are bringing everyone together, how does that change the dynamics for organizations working for these different individuals that have different functions right now, and they're off in their little silo and they're trying to interact? As you get those automations, it sounds like it'll make it more efficient. How does that look to you? What kind of workflow are you striving for as you achieve this?
Yeah, no, good question. And again, this is all happening and maturing fast, right? So our current view is that with the right automation, again, you could have the folks creating models do the best job they possibly can in creating the models that have the right properties, right? So, and then on the DevOps side, they can focus on continue deploying models and deploying software the way they do. And I think that the dynamic is going to change. That in organizations, we wouldn't have to go and look for people that are actually specialists in both, because that's the reality today. So this teaming between folks that create models and folks that run the regular DevOps, these are people that understand, again, as I said before, understand machine learning. They understand the tooling around all the guts of, say, TensorFlow and PyTorch, and what are the right libraries to use depending on the hardware target. What are the right compilers to use? For example, should you use TensorRT for NVIDIA? Should you use TVM in case you want to have broader options of hardware? And then you have to do performance evaluation to make sure that you're getting the right performance from your model running on the chosen hardware. Often they have to make decisions about the procurement. So if you're going to deploy it in the cloud at reasonable scale, chances are that your model is going to have a line item on the budget because it's going to cost a lot of money to run at scale. So you have to go and understand what are the cost implications. And these are the kind of things that none of these teams are used to, like, it's not their strength. So DevOps don't understand enough machine learning to do that. And then data scientists don't understand enough of the systems aspects to do that themselves. So I think that the dynamics that's going to change is, if we automate this right, companies wouldn't have to go and look for these kind of people that are specialized, that understand this intersection, right? So, and I hope this is going to make it even more accessible for users to put models into production, because they don't have to go look for people like that. They don't have to have the systems expertise coupled with machine learning to make use of machine learning.